Killing a big desert mule deer doesn't start when the season opens. It starts months before, with boots on the ground and glass in the air. Scouting these wide open desert landscapes can feel overwhelming, but once you understand how mature bucks use the terrain, it becomes a whole different game. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I scout for mule deer in the desert and sage country, from map work to boots on the ground tactics, so you can find bucks before the crowds and build a plan that works. The first step is always e-scouting. In desert country, I'm keying in on terrain that offers isolation, structure, and security. Draws, breaks, cliff edges, badlands, and thick sage patches near water or high-value areas. Bucks just don't bed anywhere. They bed where they can see, escape, and stay cool. Unlike the alpine, desert bucks can be much harder to pattern because water is limited and pressure is high. That's why I focus on locating hidden water sources, springs, seeps, old stock tanks, and shaded drainages. Even a small puddle can concentrate mule deer movement in the heat of the summer. When it comes to glassing, you need patience and power. In this country, bucks often bed in tight little pockets of shade under cliffs, junipers, or sagebrush. I've spent hours picking apart terrain from long range. The biggest bucks won't be up and moving. They'll be tucked in, out of sight, and waiting for dusk. You're not just looking for deer. You're building patterns. Where they feed, where they bed, what times they move, and what routes they take. Desert bucks are survivors. If you can pattern one in the summer and he survives the pressure, odds are good he'll still be using that country come opening day. Scouting the desert takes grit. It's hot, it's dry, and 90% of it will look empty. But if you stick it out and pay attention to the subtle details, shade, structure, sign, and survival, you'll start seeing big bucks where no one else is even looking. If you're serious about hunting big game desert mule deer, this is where it starts. Smash that like button if this helped, and make sure to subscribe. I've got more coming on stalking, hunting, pressure, and real hunts out here in the sage.